2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900, the best new Japanese cruiser motorcycles for senior riders. In the ever-evolving landscape of motorcycles, where style meets performance and innovation marries tradition, Kawasaki continues to carve its niche with the introduction of the eagerly awaited 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. As enthusiasts and critics alike hold their breath in anticipation, let's dive into what makes this new addition to the Vulcan family a standout in the fiercely competitive cruiser market. Engine type: 4-stroke V-twin. Displacement: 903 cubic centimeters. Bore X-stroke: 88.0 mm x 74.2 mm. Compression ratio: 9.5:1. Fuel system: fuel injection with dual 34 mm throttle bodies. Ignition: TCBI with electronic advance. Performance: maximum torque: 58.2 pound-foot at 3,500 rpm. Cooling: liquid cooled. Transmission: 5-speed with positive neutral finder. Final drive: belt. Chassis frame type: double cradle, high tensile steel. Front suspension: 41 mm telescopic fork, 5.9 inches travel. Rear suspension: unitrack swing arm, for 0.1 inches travel. Front brake: single 300 mm disc with twin piston caliper. Rear brake: single 270 mm disc with single piston caliper. Front tire: 130/90-16. Rear tire: 180/70-15. Dimensions: overall length: 97.0 inches. Overall width: 39.6 inches. Overall height: 41.9 inches. Wheelbase: 64.8 inches. Ground clearance: 5.3 inches. Seat height: 26.8 inches. Curb weight: 619 pounds. Fuel capacity: 5.3 gallons. The Vulcan series has always been synonymous with classic cruiser design, and the 2025 model continues this legacy with a blend of timeless elegance and modern flair. From its muscular stance to its flowing lines, every curve of the Vulcan 900 reflects Kawasaki's dedication to both form and function. Expectations are high as enthusiasts eagerly await the unveil of the new design elements, which are rumored to include updated LED lighting systems for enhanced visibility and aesthetics, as well as a sleeker, more ergonomic seating arrangement that promises improved comfort on those long, winding roads. Beyond its striking appearance, the Vulcan 900 promises to deliver a ride that is as exhilarating as it is dependable. Equipped with a powerful yet refined engine, this cruiser is poised to offer an unmatched blend of performance and efficiency. Advanced fuel injection technology ensures smooth power delivery across various riding conditions, while updated suspension systems promise a comfortable and controlled ride. In terms of technology, Kawasaki's commitment to innovation shines through with the integration of state-of-the-art features. Riders can expect advanced instrumentation that provides real-time data on performance metrics, along with connectivity options that bring the Vulcan 900 into the digital age without compromising its classic appeal. One of the hallmarks of the Vulcan series has always been its focus on rider comfort, and the 2025 model is no exception. With ergonomically designed seating and handlebar placements, as well as adjustable foot pegs to accommodate riders of different sizes, every aspect of the Vulcan 900 is engineered for maximum comfort during long rides. Furthermore, practicality is enhanced with thoughtful storage solutions and ergonomic controls that ensure ease of use. Whether cruising through city streets or exploring open highways, the Vulcan 900 promises a riding experience that is as convenient as it is enjoyable. Safety is paramount in any motorcycle design, and Kawasaki has left no stone unturned in ensuring that the Vulcan 900 offers uncompromising reliability on the road. From robust braking systems to advanced traction control features, every component is designed to inspire confidence and peace of mind, allowing riders to focus on the thrill of the journey ahead. Moreover, Kawasaki's renowned reputation for build quality and durability means that owners can expect years of trouble-free riding with minimal maintenance requirements, making the Vulcan 900 not just a motorcycle, but a long-term investment in riding pleasure. As Kawasaki prepares to unleash the 2025 Vulcan 900 onto the world stage, anticipation is at an all-time high among motorcycle enthusiasts. With its blend of classic design, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising performance, the Vulcan 900 promises to set a new standard in the cruiser segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking to embark on their first motorcycle adventure, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 beckons with the promise of thrilling rides and unforgettable memories on the open road. Stay tuned as Kawasaki continues to redefine the boundaries of what a cruiser can be, one innovation at a time.